Hi, I am Ramesh Babu. Thank you for watching my videos. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to paint the rooster head. I am using Gamba Cube to paint the rooster head sketch directly with my brush. If you are a beginner, please sketch with pencil first. I am filling the same shade to that feather as a background layer. As you can see, I am painting a light shade above the eyes and the head area. Paint a light coat of crimson color like this. Paint thick vermilion hue to create a depth shade like this. Mix burnt sienna and cobalt blue to paint the beak like this. Add a second layer of thick vermilion hue and burnt sienna. Mix burnt sienna and Gamba hue and paint slightly curved strokes like this. Leave the highlights light in the eye and paint burnt sienna to that remaining area like that. Mix yellow and orange to paint the outer ring of the eye. Like this. Add more depth to the eyes by mixing burnt sienna and vermilion hue like that. Paint the feather with thick burnt sienna and for depth add a little bit of any dark shade you like. Here I mix violet color. That's it. I hope you like this tutorial. New tutorials will be posted every day in this channel. So please subscribe to my channel and please check my latest videos. Thank you.